Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Definitely check these guys out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that to see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship it to you fast. Here we go. This is going to be another SOVMIKU outdoor wireless solar battery camera with smart AI event detection for the Android or the iOS. AI analysis, person recognition, pet recognition, vehicle recognition, package recognition. Install, download app, add camera, live view. So you can use your tablet, smartphone. We got full HD, motion, AI, Wi-Fi, two-way audio, multi-user sharing, full color night vision, battery power, solar panel, instant alert. So you'll get your notification right away in case something gets picked up on the cams. This will be good for your business, your home, garage, shed, your barn. Get the manual. I see it's SOVMIKU. There we go. But like I said, once I leave the link down below, it'll take you right to it. With this little tiny guy. Look how tiny this panel is compared to the other. It's really tiny. Pretty good size cord. Look at that though. That's like a wallet or a phone. Alright. Now we get some more cables. USB. Right there. You get the installing brackets and all that goodies. This one's going to be easy. I'm not sure where I'm going to install this, so we're just going to do the setup and everything in here. And then, like I said, I have no clue. Got another one of those. Screws. Oh, sweet. It's just style. I like these. So hopefully it's on the same app that I've downloaded earlier. It'll save us some time to install and all that good stuff right there. And then now here, look at this little tiny dude. It is super tiny. Definitely fits in your palm. Make sure to remove the film. There. Look at this thing. SOVMIKU. Is where you install the brackets. Either one of those two. Drop you guys down an inch. There we go. Yeah, really tiny. Lightweight too. This is where the power button, all the goodies, SD slot. There's a power button right there. Okay, let me check. I think it's a Vicohome app. Don't forget, Prime Day is coming very fast, so I want to add this to the list. Wi-Fi antenna, infrared lamp, white light, lens, mic, human body, infrared sensor. That's this thing right here. Indicator light, and the mic. So, oh, the mic's tiny. Tiny right there. And the back is the micro USB port. The speaker, all the ports. So we got that covered. Try to make it a shorter video. An infrared lens, threaded bracket. So there's two spots. Yep, one there and in there. So you can have either or. However you want to have it positioned. There's the app. Download the app. Android is called, yep, the Vicohome. So we're good with the same app. I got the other camera put away right now. So you just go there. Come on. Add new device. This is going to be a plugin. Let me make sure. Connect device. Prompts. Add camera now. Add the password. Did that. Yeah, it tells you how to install it and all that good stuff. Connect. What is it called? And on camera. Ding dong. Continue to generate code. Yeah, this battery. Next, we're going to turn it on. There we go. Now I was going to search. There it is. That's the easy hookup. And it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi password. It's already saved. So you got it. There we go. Connect. There we go. It's connected in about 2 seconds.
Connection succeeded.
Yeah, buddy. That's a good thing. I'm going to move right now. We'll call Sky camera number 2. This is going to be garden. So it's outdoor, you know, waterproof and everything's good. Okay, plug in. We're going to do, how do you plan to use the device? That's like $1 million question. Okay, we're going to get this going. Let's make sure, plug it in. Plug in all of this stuff first, and then do the install. There we go, see? Now it already registered, so you get notifications on your tablet or your phone, whatever you choose. And then just do step by step, tell you how to angle it for the right angle, where to screw. Mounting, you're all done. You could do an update later. I'll do that later. But it's a firmware update, so there we go. We are live. So you got the hello. You got that white light for the motion. And it's pretty bright. There I am. There's my phone. Alarm. There we go. Turn the light off. So there's night vision and all that good stuff. There we go. So it's all in here. You can change the settings, the power settings, indicator light on once the enable camera's working. So that's good. That's what we want. Lighting setting. Oh, yeah, that's one we choose. Power setting. Auto on after charging. That's good. Power solar panel. So you could switch if you don't want a solar panel. You could just take that off and then use it as a normal way. Motion detection. You can change it. The sensitivity, sleep, schedule. See, popped up right there. There's a notification that my hand moved. You could change it to high, medium, low. Keep it on high. But yeah, it's definitely easy to use. Pretty simple to use, actually. Video settings. Anti-flicker. Flicker frequency is 60 hertz. Recording SD. You can switch it to HD. And see, there's another notification at movement. Color mode. By using white light captures. Or you could do black and white mode. Light sensitivity, we'll keep that down to medium. So like I said, I'm probably going to install this somewhere in the backyard. Black and white mode is using infrared light. The camera is able to enhance image quality, resulting in clear black and white video. By using this, the color mode is using the white light. Camera captures colorful footages with more detail. So yeah, you would want color mode, but it might drain the battery a little bit. But it doesn't matter because you got solar you're using and the power, so that's alright. Just keep it as color. And SD management, you can have your SD card, audio settings, camera voice English, you could change it to Espanol, Japanese, Dutch, Russian, French, Spanish, Italian, Chinese. So there's a lot of live audio recording, voice audio recording. That's all on. And then this tells you where your location is. Battery mode is 66%. That's good for now for the video. It was kind of long video, but it's cool. Motion, we already showed. So we got these covered. Like I said, super lightweight. Now we're going to show the video. Oh, come on. Trying to. There we go. Now it's connecting. You can always have it go this way. There we go. It's clear. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's really good. And then now, take you guys over here. Like I said, for the install, just take this, you can pop it in here. Actually, you probably want to do is this one. Put it on the ground. Kind of like that. Actually, not like that because it came undone. There we go. See? Have it like that. And then use the screws that came with it to install. And you're good to go. But right now, like I said, we're going to keep it like this for now because I have no idea where I'm going to install them. But check them out, YouTubers. SOVMIKU. Amazon link's going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.